You know, when I walked into that final round interview, my very first one, I was nervous. Fresh out of a engineering college, chemical engineering. Nobody even knew what that meant back then. But the MD was straightforward. In lighter mood, he said something that hit me hard. He said, I always think women in engineering, they leave after a few years. They don't really stay. It's just how it is. That moment, ये बात मैं कभी नहीं भूली. That stayed with me, and instead of breaking me down, it became fuel. 23 years of fuel. Because मैंने decide किया, not just for myself, but for every woman who would hear those words, that we would prove this wrong. आज मैं यहाँ हूँ because I want to tell you something. अर्ली करियर फेज में जो ये कंफ्यूजन होता है, it is very very normal, but it doesn't have to define your entire journey. Well, my name is Manmeet, and I am a life and a career clarity coach. And for the last 23 years, I've been working in urban infrastructure market, leadership roles, international projects, lived in 12 different countries. But what I have learned in is this, that the technical knowledge is only half the battle. The real clarity comes from understanding who you are and what you actually want. And that's what I am here to help you with today. So let's talk about something real. When you finish college and walk into your first job, nobody tells you the truth. Nobody will say, by the way, you are going to feel lost sometimes. You are going to question everything. And that's completely okay. Instead, everyone tells you different things. Parents will say, take a stable job. Friends say, follow your passion. And LinkedIn says, you should be an entrepreneur. And you are sitting there thinking, कौन सा रास्ता मुझे लेना चाहिए? Which direction is actually mine? Here's what happens next. You get confused, not because you are not smart enough, not because you are something wrong with you, but because you haven't done one simple thing yet. You haven't asked yourself the right question. And the right question is not, what should I do? The right question is, what do I actually want? My father taught me this when I was at a crossroad in my own career. I had a stable job, good salary. Everything looked perfect on the paper. But something was missing. So when I went to him confused, he didn't give me advice. He just asked me one thing. What do you want? तुम क्या चाहती हो? That one question changed everything because suddenly I had to be honest with myself, not with the parents, not with the society, not with anyone else, just myself. And when I answered that honestly, the direction became clear. The decision became so easy. The fear became manageable. So here's what I want you to do right now. Don't overthink this, just grab a pen and a paper or your phone, whatever works. Write down two things. First, what I think I should be doing. Write down what your parents expect, what your college taught you, what society says is the right path. Second, what I actually want to be doing. No filters, no judgment. Just what excites you, what makes you lose track of time, what you would do even if nobody was watching you. Look at these two very closely. Are they the same or are they completely different? If they are different, well, congratulations. You just find your first clarity gap. And that gap is where your real work begins. But here's the thing, what most people see that gap, they get scared. They think if I follow what I want, everything will go wrong. What if I fail? What if nobody supports me? What if I can't afford it? So let me show you something very clearly. Let's separate what's real from what's fear. Now, take another piece of a paper, draw a line down the middle. Let's left side write what I am afraid will happen if I pursue what I actually want. Go ahead, write it down, your worst fear. All of them, don't hold back. Now, right hand side, write what is actually based on the facts you want. For example, might be you are afraid what if your career changes, what if your parents disown you, what your friends will say, whether I will earn the money, etc., etc. Is that actually true, or is it a fear talking? Most of the time, when you separate fear from the fact, you realize that the facts are far less scary than what your mind created. Now, here's where it gets interesting. And this is especially for those of you fresh out of a college or in your first few years of the work. I recently spoke with an engineer during whom I worked, with me in my last company. Sharp guy, really talented. But he was stuck on a one thing in his recent interviews. Guess what? Salary. He got a job offer, but the package didn't match he was expecting, and he heard from the friends or what the online was saying. So he came to me confused, asked me very straightforwardly that, ma'am, should I take it or not? What if I don't get this offer again? What if nobody else pays me what I am asking for? And I asked him something that made him quiet for a moment. I said, if I pay you exactly what you are asking for, what are you bringing different on or more to this table? What value are you actually creating that's worth that money? He couldn't answer immediately. Then I asked on a personal note, now tell me, if you get this money, what will be you doing with this? Where you are going to spend that money? Is it just you want to buy something more, that's why you are getting? Or you are going to invest into your skills, your growth, and your life purpose? Because here is the truth, and this applies to every earlier career professionals, especially those who just starting out. Don't chase the package, chase the skills, chase the value you are building, chase clarity about you want to become. Because here's what happens when you focus on building real skills, when you showcase what you can do in your current role, when you keep upgrading yourself, the salary, recognition, opportunities, they all follow. लेकिन अगर तुम सिर्फ पैकेज चेज कर रहे हो और अपनी स्किल्स नहीं डेवलप किए, तो वेल हमेशा स्टक ही रहोगे, एक जॉब से दूसरी जॉब, सेम कंफ्यूजन, सेम फियर. So the question becomes, what are you actually investing in? Your fear or your growth? This is what I mean by clarity. It's not just about chasing or choosing a path, it's about understanding right now, today. What are you building? Who are you becoming? Because when you know that, the decision becomes easier, the fear has a less power, and you stop waiting for the perfect opportunity to come to you. Instead, you start becoming the kind of a person that opportunities find. Now, I know this sounds simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. This is where coaching comes in, because clarity is not something you discover in one conversation. It's a process, it's a journey where you look at your situation deeply, understand your pattern, separate what is real and what is fear, then build a direction that's actually yours. And that's exactly what I do in my one on one coaching sessions. I work with you to understand not just what job you should take, but who you want to become in 5 years or 10 years on. Not just what salary you are chasing, but what impact you want to create. Not just following someone else's roadmap, but building your own. Because here is the thing, every single person is different, every situation is unique, and a one size fits all solutions, that doesn't work. Say, like, just like doctors doesn't give the same medicine to every patient. A doctor listens to your symptoms, understand your specific condition, and then creates a treatment plan that designed for you. That's how I approach coaching too. So if you are sitting here right now thinking, yes, this resonates with me, I am confused, I am stuck, and I really want a clarity, but I don't know where to start, then let's talk. Book a call with me. We can explore your specific situation. We can figure out where you actually are, where you want to go, and what's really holding you back. Because here's my belief, and this comes from 23 years of a corporate working in a different areas, that clarity changes everything. It changes how you show up at work. It changes the decision you make every day. It changes your entire trajectory. And before you go, let me tell you one more thing. Well, whatever I earn from this coaching work, majority of it will go to underprivileged girls who want to study but can't afford it. Because I believe education should not be a privilege, it should be a right. So when you book a call with me, you are not just investing in your own clarity, you are also investing in someone else's future. So here's what you do next. Comment clarity or want in the comment box below to this video if this resonates with you, or DM me on my Instagram at Purpose in Motion with MK, and let's set up a call. And remember what my father told me. What do you want? Tum kya chahte ho? That question will change your life if you actually answer it honestly. I'll see you in the next one.